Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rex Capital and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to this video about Cardano ADA. We're going to be talking about a realistic price analysis of Cardano right now. So subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future and let's dive right in. So this is an update to my video from a few days back about whether the Cardano uptrend is over. And of course, I don't believe it is over. In fact, recently we spoke about how that rejection from $3 right over here was a rejection from a psychological region where a pullback to this old all-time high could have been a possibility. And of course, since that time, we've really rebounded, overextending apologies towards the downside, but ultimately holding on to this weekly support. This is the immediate weekly support that Cardano is actually still holding on to, deviating to the downside beyond it, only briefly. And actually in that previous video, I spoke about how revisits of these old all-time highs are quite rare in the crypto space. When it comes to major assets, we tend to see a lot of front running. Rather than picture perfect support tests, we see a lot of front running. And I'm just wondering whether this is actually the front running that I was actually talking about in that video. Front running does occur at a little bit higher prices than the actual support level, but this would be quite significant front running. In any case, this support holding right over here, a weekly candle close above here and holding here, price strength confirmation at these highs should be able to prop price up to a revisit of this psychological $3 region. If we, of course, do lose this level, then this would be a region to watch out for once again. But at the moment, it does look like a bit of front running is happening. And as long as this weekly support continues to hold, then we're not going to see those $2.30 levels anytime soon. And from that previous video, this is a chart that I shared where I was expecting a pullback into this red resistance zone, previous resistance into a new support. It was a picture perfect. Honestly, a picture perfect retest attempt, and that should be enough because we saw a 16% rebound from there, and that should be enough for Cardano to actually complete this U-shaped reversal, this macro U-shaped formation, which is effectively an accumulation formation. So this blue level being the final major resistance for Cardano before fully validating, fully completing this U-shaped formation. And this would be the level to breach to just validate this formation. So breaking past this blue level would be a validation of the breakout, effectively confirming a new uptrend from this overall macro accumulation. So that's something exciting to watch out for. This blue level would enable a new uptrend into potentially these highs or these highs. Those are the final two resistance levels, and they are wicking resistances. So we tend to see more strong resistances at candle bodies rather than wicks. So those being the last resistances, though probably not the major ones, it does offer a lot of upside potentially for Cardano once we break those blue levels. So that's something to watch out for. This U-shaped formation is very close to completing, and after seeing this phenomenal retest, which is following the black pathway perfectly, it does give us confidence that we are going to see those blue highs relatively soon. So anything below $1 for ADA was an early bird discount. In the same way, anything below $2,000 was an early bird discount for Ethereum. And the same thing for below $30,000 for Bitcoin was an early bird discount. And the same thing goes for the Rex Capital newsletter. Anything below $10 a month is an early bird discount. Price is going up on September 6th. So feel free to sign up in the link in the description down below to lock in that early bird pricing of $10 a month or $100 a year, which in my opinion is a bargain for a newsletter that goes out 3 times a week. And in September, that's 5 weeks. So many newsletters ahead of us in the month of September. So feel free to make the most of this early bird discount and sign up today in the link in the description down below. In any case, guys, thank you so much for watching today. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. And of course, like the video if you enjoyed this one. I'm Rex Capital and I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak to you soon.